Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how we can do monkey testing on Android devices. So basically if we want to understand what is monkey testing, it is like randomly giving some inputs to the device or emulator and checking for any crashes or maybe any other UI issues which can come because of doing random inputs into the device itself. So basically for doing monkey testing, I have taken this calculator application, which is inbuilt inside any, you can say, device. It is in order to perform monkey testing, we need to take care that ADB is already installed, so that if we are not having real Android devices, we can use simulator to do monkey testing on that particular device. And also we need to take out the activity of the application on which we are going to perform the monkey testing. So for the sake of reference, in this video I will be using my local calculator application, which is there in the devices, which is, you can say, present in every device. So I will be using that native application to perform monkey testing. And this is the command basically which help us in performing the monkey testing on the Android application. So let's take a look exactly what this command is and what it means. So basically if you are going to look closer, you can see that it is compri comprising of different attributes within the command itself. One is ADB, then one is shell, and then monkey is basically this testing tool, then V, which is verbose, and this 500, which is an event. So here I will be having an event of 1000, so I am changing it to 1000. And now let's see if we are going to get the desired effect on our calculator application or not. I already have the ADB installed. There was V missing and I have added V. So V is basically, it stands for verbose method. Now let's see if we are able to do this monkey testing on this native application, which is our Android calculator native application. I will just copy this whole command and I will see if my device is connected. For this I will just type abd devices. So you can see one device is already connected. Once all these commands are running, I'm just going to save the logs in this internal search.txt. So if in case any issue is coming, any crash is coming, I can just go into this app and I can read the logs. So now I will just copy and paste this command, and activity name is there. I just want to do it for 1000, maybe you can say actions, and I want to save it in internal search.txt. And so everything looks good. I can just delete this so I have a clear and crisp screen. Basically now what I am going to do, I am just going to pin this application on my screen so that whatever inputs are being performed by the monkey test, it is not going outside this calculator application and it is not going to open my random apps like Facebook or any other app. So for this, since I am using Samsung Galaxy, I can just go here and I can pin this app. So whatever inputs will be performed now, it will be performed within this application and it is not going to go outside. I will just copy this and I will see if my device is connected, and now I will just run this. So you can see random inputs have been started and it is doing some random inputs. And if I want to see the logs, I can just go here and I can see if there are any logs which are generated or not. Now I will just search for the logs which has been generated, and the logs have been generated in internet search.txt. So I have two files with internet search.txt, but this is the file which has been recently created within saf.siddiqui, because I am in this saf.siddiqui directory, so user. So I will open this and I will see the logs are generated, and if there are any issues they will be just copied here, and you can you can debug those issues depending upon what is the issue and why the issue is taking place. I hope you like my video. Do like my video on YouTube and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.